In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize conversations with AI in Slack. Slack AI makes it much easier to catch up on busy conversations without reading every single message one by one. If your workspace has the Slack AI add-on enabled by an administrator, you can use built-in AI tools to summarize discussion threads, review channel activity, and quickly understand what happened over a specific time period. One helpful thing to know is that these features work inside Slack's secure environment, so the summaries stay within your organization's workspace boundaries. Let's start with summarizing a single discussion thread. Open Slack in either the desktop app or your web browser. Then go to the channel or direct message where the conversation happened. Find the message that started the thread and click on it. This opens the thread panel on the right side where you can view the full discussion in one place. Once the thread is open, look to the top right area of the thread pane for the Slack AI sparkle icon. Click it to generate a summary. If you don't see that option right away, you can also click the three-dot More Actions menu on the parent message and choose Summarize Thread. Slack AI will then analyze the conversation and place a structured summary at the top of the thread. This usually highlights the main points, decisions that were made, and any action items mentioned in the discussion. Now let's look at summarizing an entire channel or a custom time frame. Navigate to the public or private channel you want to review. In the channel header near the search area, click the Slack AI sparkle icon. A menu will appear with several summary options, including summarizing the last 7 days, summarizing unread messages, or choosing a custom date range. Pick the option that best matches what you need, then click Generate Summary. Slack will scan the messages from that selected period and show you a private summary window. This recap typically includes an overview of the main topics and a set of key highlights organized into clear bullet points. You may also see citation links attached to parts of the summary. Those are especially useful because you can click a citation number to jump straight to the original message in the channel and verify the context for yourself. Finally, you can also use recaps and Slack Search AI to stay informed. In the left sidebar, open recaps or go to More and then Recaps to review automatically generated daily summaries for channels you follow. And if you want to ask about past conversations directly, click the search bar at the top of Slack or use the keyboard shortcut to open it, then type a natural language question about earlier discussions to quickly surface relevant answers.